Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking conditions. Proper temperature and humidity keep paste working. That's why 1822 degrees C and moderate humidity matter. Next, cut and number strips so pattern matches. Doing this now saves shuffling later. Mix paste exactly as labeled, measure, stir, then rest. Once done, the adhesive activates uniformly and avoids lumps. Make sure to use a clean bucket and a whisk. A consistent mix prevents weak seams and bubbling when you hang the first strip. You now paste and position. Roll or brush paste across the paper back, aiming for a consistent 2-3 mm wet layer so adhesive penetrates but won't ooze. Once pasted, fold or book the paper for the recommended 2-5 minutes to activate the glue. This reduces stretch. Align the first strip using a plumb line. Press from the center toward the edges to expel excess paste and air. Make sure to butt seams precisely. Small misalignment now becomes very noticeable later. Finish by trimming with a straight edge and a sharp blade. Cut slowly to avoid tearing and wipe away paste with a damp sponge so seams stay clean. Use a seam roller to set edges down firmly, working from the center of each panel out to squeeze out air and paste. If you see bubbles or a lifted seam, act quickly. Lift the edge, reapply paste, or use a small syringe of adhesive, then press and smooth. This prevents trapped air and ensures seams dry, flat, and invisible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.